The 2008 Ford F-350 Super Duty XLT. This is a super cab pickup truck with an 8-foot bed, powered by a turbo diesel 6.4-liter V8 engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission with overdrive. This vehicle, with fewer than 75,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Ford features premium sound, tilt wheel, and dual rear wheels. Safety features include dual front airbags and 4-wheel ABS. Comfort and convenience features include multi-disc CD player, navigation system, and heated seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.